In this video, we are going to talk about the best wholesale business ideas. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ida256UG. Let's talk about the best wholesale business ideas. Number 1, agricultural equipments. This has a huge potential in retail distribution. Farming machinery, hand tools are more popular, making the business the best selling. Number 2, agrochemical. Agrochemicals includes fertilizers, nutrients, growth promoters, pesticides, insecticides, fungicides. These are some of agrochemicals, and they are used as fertilizers in agriculture. So it is one of the selling business. Number 2, textile business. This includes threads, sewing supplies, safety clothing, boot wears, accessories, etc. This business requires specific knowledge about the industry. And number 4, we have art and crafts. Is also one of the best wholesale business ideas. For example, handcrafts. It includes handcrafts, corporate gifts, wooden crafts. This business targets gift sellers and art schools. Automobile wholesales, which sells vehicles, spare parts, accessories, lubricants, batteries, tires. This business has plenty of distribution opportunities. So if you want to deal in wholesale, you can also consider this business. And number 6, building and construction materials. In this business, it will require you moderate capital. The products in this business are highly valued. For example, which include cement, roads, sand, stone, heap bricks, tiles, paint, etc. These are some of the products in this business. You can either choose to engage in painting. You can either choose to deal in paints, cement, hardware products, stone, bricks, and sand. Chemical distribution. With chemical distribution, it includes products like plastic and polyesters, natural gas. It will require you to have a good potential of distribution if you want to engage in this business. Number 9, computers. You can also choose to wholesale computers. With computers, it has a highly competitive retail market. It requires huge capital investments. It also requires financial planning. So if you want to engage yourself in computer as a wholesale business, those are some of the requirements needed. And number 10, cosmetics. Another best wholesale business idea includes cosmetics. With cosmetics, there is a worldwide market, and it also has a lot of opportunities. Number 11, education and training. Education is the most profitable business, and it consists of computers and IT training, vocational training, language schools, corporate training, sales training, etc. So if you would like to start anything dealing with education, those are some of the things which includes in education and training. And number 12, furniture business. Furniture has a great foreign potential, which includes plastic furniture, steel furniture, wooden, office furniture, and it has a great demand currently. And number 13, jewelry. Jewelry requires enough investment capital to start. And number 14, home appliances. Number 14, home appliance business. This business is highly profitable, which requires moderate capital, strategic planning. It requires you to select products according to the local market, so consider that when you're choosing this idea. And number 15, hospital equipments. With hospital equipments, it requires a sound hospital network. With this business, you have to have a sound hospital network, patient beds, X-ray machines, operation theater equipments, wheelchairs. These are the major requirements needed in this business. So number 16, leather products. Leather products is also one of the best wholesale business. It caters for the fashionable industry, and it includes items like handbags, footwear, belts, garments, gloves, etc. Number 17, livestock. You can choose to involve yourself in agriculture, for example, rearing animals. You can also decide to sell ready to cook. You can also decide to cook ready to cook non-vegetable items such as meat, chicken, frozen chicken, and they are more popular. Number 18, medicine distribution. This is also one of the great business ideas you can start if you want to start any business. With medicine distribution, it has great opportunities in pharmaceuticals, core industry. Products include machineries, personal care, beauty products, nutrient supplements, and energy drinks. These are some of the products in this business. Number 19, mineral water distribution. Mineral water distribution is a highly localized business, a high demand for the packaged drinking water, and the demand depends on the quality of the drinking water in the particular area. So consider the quality of the water if you want to start the mineral water distribution business. And number 20, paper and stationery. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry sector which has items like exercise books, computer papers, pens, pencils, erasers, geometry boxes, color papers, gift wrappers, art papers, etc. This business is suitable for any location. And number 21, safety and security products. This one has both domestic and commercial buyers. For example, since security is everyone's concern nowadays, some items like CCTV cameras, intelligence systems, access cards are looked for by homeowners. To protect their security. So if you are looking to the best business ideas, you can also consider this business. The above mentioned are some of the best wholesale business ideas you can consider if you would like to start a wholesale business. Thank you for listening to me. Please, if you have liked the information in this video, please consider subscribing. You can like, share, comment.